2022, global infrastructure construction is a big issue. Numerous streets, houses and airports are under reconstruction. Among them, precision of pipes has been paid much more attention. The number of firefighting pipes, rails, street lights and construction pipe frames has been growing rapidly. Let's talk about the first process in the pipe project, pipe cutting. The simplest tool is this pipe cutter. It is suitable for the thinnest metal pipes, this in 20 millimeters, but it cannot handle thicker and harder metal pipes. The chop saw can cut thicker and harder metal pipes. Generally, the largest cutting diameter is about 100 millimeters. Chop saw is a simple and practical tool, but it is not suitable for long hours of work. Vibration, tightening of parts and even the speedy rolls can easily damage the saw teeth, and the safety is not guaranteed. So if you need to cut a larger diameter and harder pipes, and there are the requirements for the efficiency and accuracy for such products as the severe pipes and the street lights, you need to consider the CNC plasma cutting machine. They usually consist of a frame, clock, numerical control system and a plasma or laser generator. The characteristics of the CNC tube cutting machines are the high pressures, high efficiency, saving labor costs, support for the tube surface cutting and crossing the line cutting. Larger machines support barrel cutting. Here is Anna. Thank you all for today. See you next time.